Hi guys, myself Hiram Sesachari from CSS Reaction. In this video, we will learn about what are the three levels of data abstraction. Topics: Introduction, levels of data abstraction, conclusion. Introduction. First, we should know what is data abstraction. Data abstraction is a process of hiding unwanted or irrelevant details from the end user. It provides a different view and helps in achieving data independence, which is used to enhance the security of the data. The data system consists of complicated data structures and relations. For users to access the data easily, these complications are kept hidden and only the relevant part of the database is made access and the users through data abstraction. So now you know about the data abstraction. It is nothing but the process of hiding unwanted data. That means it shows only useful data to the user. Example, if we want to access any mail from our Gmail, then we don't know where the data is physically stored. That is data present in the India or USA or data model has been used to store the data. We are not concerned about these things. We are only the concerned with our email. So information like this, location of data and data models are irrelevant to us and in data abstraction. We do this only apart from the location of data and data models. These are those other factors that don't care of. We hide the unnecessary data from the user and this process of hiding and unwanted data is called as data abstraction. Mainly, there are three levels of data abstraction of dbms which are given below. First is physical or internal level. Second, logical or conceptual level. Third, view or external level. Let us know about the briefly about the three levels of data abstraction. This picture shows the how the three levels are interly connected in the database management system. Database is connected to a physical level, then conceptual level, and then view level. Physical or internal level. The first level is physical or internal level. It is the lowest level of data abstraction for dbms, which defines how the data is actually stored. It defines the data structures to store data and access methods used by the database. Actually, it is decided by developers or database application programmers how to store the data in the database. So overall, the entire database is described in the level that is physical or internal level. It is a very complex level to understand. For example, customers' information is stored in tables and data is stored in the forms of blocks of storage such as bytes, gigabytes. So the physical level is nothing but it stores the data. How it defines how the data is stored in the database management system. And second level is logical or conceptual level. Logical level is the intermediate level or next higher level. It describes what data is stored in the database and what relationship exists among those data. It tries to describe the entire or whole data because it describes what tables to be created and what links among those tables are created. It is less complex than physical level. Logical level is used by developers or database administrators. So overall, the logical level consists of tables and relations among the attributes. So the logical level is describes what data is stored in the database. Example. Let us take an example where we use the relation model for storing the data. We have to store the data of a student. The columns in the student table will be student name, age, mail ID, room number, etc. We have to define all these data, this level while we are creating the database. Through the data is stored in the database, but the structure of the tables like student table, teacher table, books table, etc. are defined here in the conceptual level or logical level. Also, how the tables are related to the each other defined here. Overall, we can say that we are creating a blueprint of the data at the conceptual level. View or external level. It is the highest level. In view level, there are different levels of views, and every view only defines a part of entire data. It also simplifies interaction with the user, and it provides many views or multiple views of the same database. View level can be used by all users. This level is the least complex and easy to understand. In the view level, the example, if we have a login ID and password, it is a university system, then a student we can view our marks, attendance, fees, etc. For the faculty of the units, we have different views. He will have options like salary, edit marks of the student, edit attendance of student, etc. So both the students and faculty have a different view. By doing so, the security of the system also increases. In this example, the student can't edit his marks, but the faculty who is authorized to edit the marks can edit the student marks. Similarly, the dean of the college will have some more authentication and accordingly he will have his view. So different users will have a different views according to the authorized they have. Conclusion. A database abstraction layer allows for maximum flexibility and guarantees that when additional business applications need to access the database, there is a lot of rework involved in trying to support them. And believe additionally applications will want to access the database. It's only a matter of time. This is all the three levels of the physical data abstraction. Thank you.